Today we got the Honeywell fan, turbo force power. Circulator. It's got 3 velocities.
It's the Honeywell turbo power.
Here it is, 3-speed setting, energy savings, a carrying handle, pivots 90 degree, fused safety plug.
It's the same fan.
Feel the power 25 feet away. So it's pretty powerful for a little fan.
Like this, it goes like this.
And there's a little information about the air circulator. Okay.
Time to open.
Here is ready to unbox.
Safety instructions.
Yep,
It's made by
there is.
Honeywell.
Honeywell. It's for honeycomb.
Turbo force power.
There it is. Dun dun. Oh.
Okay, take the box.
There it is.
There it is.
It's wrapped in this.
We got a knot.
I opened it better than you.
You rip, are you? There
Okay,
you
get
go.
that out of
Wait, it's different, Daddy. Look.
there. Different color.
Different color.
Okay, get the plug.
Yes, here's
Get
the
the plug.
power, Ajay.
Energy.
You try.
Energy.
This thing if working or not.
Here's the switch. Off, 3-speed, 2-speed, 1-speed.
Yeah.
It's all assembled, ready to go.
Now I'll do
There
it.
is. Yeah.
You put it on 3. Tilts. Okay, this is fan speed number 1.
Versus a tissue.
Okay, I'll put it in number 2.
And number 2.
Number 2. A little bit more powerful.
Then number 3. Wow.
Yeah, that.
For the final test we have to do,
Let off.
we can feel it. Can we feel it all the way over there? Let's see.
Okay, you tell us. We can't swing there. Right there.
Cannot swing, Ajay.
Go over there.
Get the straight.
Yeah.
Okay, now here it goes.
Can you feel it?
Yep. Okay,
That's
medium.
1. That's 1. 2.
Okay, now
3.
3.
You feel it now?
Yeah.
Turbo.
Do it even more. So let's go with it.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all the tests. This is the LED desk lamp. It's got a dimmable touch for eye protection. Website is www.taytronics.com. There it is.
Yeah.
Hands off the table.
Okay, we're opening this now.
Dun 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 dun. I have one of them, but now we're filming this one. Here it goes.
Ta-da!
Instructions, service.
Who's this for?
See if there's anything in there. Yes, she is.
There
There
it is.
it is. What are we gonna use this for?
And here's the power cord.
There it is.
They got it wrapped really good.
I want to do the satisfaction of ripping this stuff off. This is the thing that everyone loves. Look
Good.
at this. So satisfying. I know.
Oh,
Oh, so
it's up.
satisfying.
Now you can see it.
What are we gonna use this lamp for
It's
again?
gonna be upstairs later. Okay.
Don't we use this for downstairs? A downstairs video lamp?
Yeah, maybe.
This is the downstairs video lamp. Duct tape. Not duct tape.
So here it is, very flexible. Any position you want to put it in.
There is nice shiny.
It's so flexible
Power
like my
button.
power button. When you plug
What's
it
this? The
in,
dimming button or the colors?
that's the colors.
It has different colors in it.
Yeah, look like how many?
And then
7?
I plug in the thing.
here's where you plug in the power, and it's got a USB connector so you can plug your phone in
Sadly, my iPad doesn't work on that.
for charging. You tried it? No, it doesn't. It's got a different cable.
Yep. Sad, but I can use this.
Okay, so this plugs in right here.
There you go.
You can see the blue light.
Now if you push it,
There we go.
it
There
is.
is the light.
Show the difference.
First thing is, this is the dimmest. And then we got number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7.
The
That's full
7
brightness.
color.
It's pretty
But
bright.
that's
Yeah,
7.
that is the bright. The
Let's see the
7.
colors now.
Okay, this is the color. This is color 1 right
With,
here.
with
This is the regular
Yeah.
color. And then color 2 is like this dimmish, I guess. And then number 3 is this.
Soft.
Number 4 is this. And number 5 is this. And that's all the colors.
Back to normal.
Back to
Yeah, it's very
normal.
nice.
So you can go like,
yeah, 7 colors. See, you can do that.
yay. Colors. There's all the colors. And then all the brightness.
Yep. Wow, nice, RJ. I like that.
It's my
Nice that to my desk.
This is my same lamp, sir.
Yep. To my desk, RJ. I like.
There you go.
Okay.
Good
Isn't
job.
this the downstairs lamp?
Yep, for
I
now.
don't know. Okay, guys. That's it for now, guys. Our unboxing. See you next time.
See
Bye-bye.
you next time.
Bye-bye now.
So the thing we forgot we have to do, we have to just plug in the thing and see if it charges. So
USB. Here is
plug
USB.
in,
Testing RJ how to
and this
charge.
is my all new iPad, by the way. My all new iPad.
Okay,
So
go.
charging on top, look at the
Yes,
corner.
try.
So now we need to charge it.
Let's try. Let's see.
There you go. Is it charging?
Ooh, the charge.
It's charging.
There is charge. Okay.
It's still 100%.
That's it, guys.
And then,
Our-
no, one more thing we have to check. If I push this, will it keep charging? Let's see.
Put it down low.
Yep.
Still charging.
Yep. Nice.
So there you go.
Okay,
Guys.
that's it, guys. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Guys, subscribe to RJ Play Play.